Hello, everyone. Welcome to Two Fat Guys Cards. I want to check the volume on that real fast. It doesn't look like it's going up very far. And we're going to check the volume real fast and make sure that you guys can hear us. All right, we're good. Just want to make sure. Uh, Thank you for joining us tonight for our 2013 Crown Royale box break. Hopefully, we get some nice stuff out of it. Uh, Pretty nice product this year, so hopefully, like I said, we'll do better than we did last week. Um, as always, people here on the left are the people who bought in, and we'll go ahead as always, copy the names here, put them in random.org, randomize it 3 times. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. Good to see Nathan R's back. Been missing you there, bud. Hopefully everything's all right. Ready to win some cards, I assume. So we'll go ahead and print this up. Save it. Print.
Our new assistant. New assistant.
And we'll go ahead and show you the team list here, as always. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Jason. Just one sec, guys. Just trying to make a little room here. I apologize. Nice. having some, having some issues, guys. Sorry. I know we're not amateurs, believe it or not. All right, so there's the box. We'll go ahead and show the teams here.
There's a box, there's a table.
Yeah, it's just showing everything here. Now the camera's all tilted. Hopefully we get this to zoom in. I'll do that first try. That's good signs for today. We're going to get a 1-on-1. So there's the teams. Everyone can see. So we'll go ahead and get started. Should be 4 packs. At least 2 autos and at least 2 memorabilias, I believe. So as you can see, here it is. Checking for serial number here. Yeah, there you go, Jason. And no serial numbers for there. Alright, so we'll go ahead and get this started. I feel like we're forgetting something. Started really fast today. I assume that most people have already bought into this and they know the rules, so. Oh, does it? No, I knew that. I'm on top of this. There you go, Jason. Let me get rid of that. Oh, make sure he's showing there's nothing in it.
That Cavs game, huh?
Yeah, Cavs game. Oh my God. All right, so here we go. Pack numero uno. All right, so we have Calvin Johnson, regular. Andy Dalton, jersey, all pro. So that's going to the Bengals. That's
AFC North.
Yep.
Scott
F. There you go. Then we have, then we'll check to make sure these aren't numbered. Jamal Charles. Nope. One's just standard. Just double checking here, make sure it's not numbered. Yeah, it's not numbered. And then Kenny Vaccaro and Antonio Brown. Kind of hard to see the names on these. All right, we have Jamal Charles, Rodney Smith auto from the Vikings, 16/99.
Was it NFC North?
Yeah, NFC North.
Vicky
Vicky I, congratulations. Not quite a 101, but 99. It's not bad. And we got the insert, nothing. Antonio Gates, Jamar Taylor, and Drew Brees. Nothing special. Alright, let's see what else we got here. AJ Green up, we got a redemption. This one is Crown Royale rookie Panini's Choice, Eddie Lacy. Nice. So, yeah, this should be Vicky I again.
Yep.
Well, congratulations, Vicky. It's your second hit. So we'll go ahead and get that sent out to you, just as is. Another card. Oh, this one's numbered. It's for the Denver Broncos, so that one will get sent out 4 of 199.
AFC West, right?
Yep.
Robert
Robert Art. Then we have Zach Stacy and Torrey Smith. Nothing special about those. And the last pack. And next week we're going to have another box of this Crown Royale, and then we'll see what else we can get our hands on pretty cheap. So, alright, we have Santonio Holmes. Oh, this is a nice one. Earl Campbell autograph, 10 of 25. Look at that, it's even got dirt on the jersey. It's the Houston Oilers, so they are the Tennessee Titans, right? That's the AFC South, I believe.
Titans, AFC South.
Nice hit.
Eric V.
Eric V. There you go, Eric V.
Man,
Look at that. You can even see the dirt on the jersey. That's pretty nice. That's a nice one. 10 of 25. And then we got London Fletcher. Nothing special. Chris Thompson and Rob Gronkowski. So we'll show you the hits again here. We had 5 of them. This real fancy Earl Campbell. This is nice. That's real nice. 10 of 25. Then we had the Peyton Manning, Rodney Smith, and the Andy Dalton. Low number of 299. I think I forgot to say that. So, all right. Well, thank you for joining us. Had a nice hit out of this one. Oh yeah, the redemption. I'm sorry. Yeah, the redemption. That's the redemption, the Eddie Lacy. So nice box out of this one. Hopefully you guys will join us next week. Same price. It's already up on eBay. It'll be back up on the website latest by tomorrow, probably tonight. So if you guys want to get back in, feel free to join us. Hopefully we continue our nice hits. Thanks again, and we'll see you next week.